All right, we're out with Pitt's um, 12 Python from Dynam. Big Go Hobby has it. I think a couple other places have it, but best bet would be Big Go. Gonna fly. It's kind of windy. Be its third flight. I'm thinking maybe. I don't know. We'll fly it. Make it a flight no matter what flight it is. Wind is pretty strong. Wow. Right over the sun. This thing actually is handling the wind better than I thought it would. Figure with two wings, should be a bit unruly. Nice tight loop. I'll get it up there. Yeah, kind of a flat spin upside down. Under the sun, through the sun, sun everywhere. Huh. She does some pretty cool stuff. Flat spin. Look at that, that's a good one. It makes a cool noise in the wind. Over the sun. It does awesome snaps. That's incredible. I think that's called a rifle barrel. Low pass. Nice and low, look at that, cool plane. Into the hole of doom. Out of the hole of doom. Haha, I went right in at that time. Makes a cool howling noise. I should just bring batteries and fly this all day. Alright, there's, I got a 30-second warning. Uh-oh. Get rid of power. Ba-dunk. And upside down. Yeah, light goes on. We still had a good flight. Hopefully the camera got all that. There's some pretty cool flips and spins and stuff going on there. That's the bottom side of the Dynam Pits 12 Python. So now you know what the bottom looks like. Did that on purpose so you guys could see the bottom. That was it. Yeah. Alright, there we go. That was a 6-minute flight. It's pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching. Ciao for now.